to my channel. I'm Anna Ten-Bensel, and we are on day 15 of the Juleetcode challenge with LeetCode. I do my solutions in Python, and today, let's start this timer while we're here. I just saw that we have another hard problem. Before we go, though, I have JoJo. She's here to help and support. Woo, woo, woo. She's trying to leave. She does not want to support entirely from here. So the question is 1751. I can already tell it's 10 o'clock, so I'm not starting as late as I have been because I have a feeling this is going to take me a long time to do. So, yeah, so we have the maximum number of events that can be attended to, which means there was a first one. I don't think I've done it, but I've done something similar in my own life because I go to conferences and I want to go to everything. So let's get into it. It looks like the editorial's open. Haven't submitted anything yet. I'm going to give myself at least one, if not two, read-throughs, though, before I jump into the editorial, because I might need it. Just depends on if I can think of a solution before. So let's get into it. So you're given an array of events where events I equals start day I, end day I, value I, and the ith event starts on the start day I and ends at end day I. And if you attend this event, you'll receive a value of value I. You are also given an integer k, which represents the maximum number of events you can attend. You can only attend one event at a time. If you choose to attend an event, you must attend the entire event. Note that at the end of the day is inclusive, that this you cannot attend two events where one of them starts and the other ends on the same day. Return the maximum sum of values you can receive by attending events. Okay, so it makes sense. So let's say you have 6 events, and one of them is 2 hours, 2 of them are 1 hour, but they're at the same time. You would just attend the 1 hour, 2 1-hour events, because you could attend more events that way. Doesn't seem too bad. I'm saying that. I'm going to jinx myself. I can, you know what? I take that back. I take it back. Okay. So these are the examples. So I could attend, okay, this is a time. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So assume those are hours. So 2 hours, 2 hours, and 2 hours. I'd be able to attend event 0 and 1. Choose the green events, 0 and 1 for total value. Okay, that makes, okay. Choose 2 for the total value of 10. Notice you cannot attend any other, wait. You're also given an integer. Wait. So the value of it matters. So 4 plus 3 would be 7, but then this is 10. Interesting. Pick the highest value 3. That just took a turn. I was like, oh, this is going to be fun. See, this is why I'm jinxing myself. Okay, so you pick your highest value that you can have here. So that's just 3. So k is 3, 2, the value. Interesting. So you couldn't do the maximum of events. You'd have to go with the highest value. Huh. Okay. Event length, start day, end day. Oops. Let me charge my Apple Watch really quick because it just told me it's low battery. Okay. Okay, well, we have our work cut out for us. Yeah. Okay. Let me read through this one more time. Just because I feel like I'm So then you can only attend one event at a time. Okay, so the value and the number don't necessarily correspond. So we have to do a couple things, right? We have to sort the events by when they start. This is just like right from the get-go, because some of these, like one of them starts at 1 of them starts at 2, one of them starts at 3, 4, etc. And like this would have been sequential, but like for some of these, we need to figure out when they start. We also need to store everything. But we need to do like a top-down approach. Return the maximum sum of values that you can receive by attending events. The maximum sum. Maximum sum of values you can receive by attending events. I feel like, would a binary search be out of the realm of possibility for this? I don't think so. I do think we should do kind of like a top-down DP approach. We do them together? We get the best of both worlds. I'm gonna go ahead and say yeah, because I don't think we'll be able to do this without both. Yeah, I don't see this being done without both. Okay. So now that we've taken 7 minutes of our life to talk ourselves into doing this, there's a couple things. Let's start with maybe a dictionary. What should I call it? I don't know. We also need the length of events. I'm just going to say length events. We do need to sort them by start date. I think that's going to be the easiest way to do that. To figure out when each of them starts and we can see which ones overlap. So it'd be, I guess, events sort lambda. Is that? Because that'll sort by the start date. Yeah. So, okay. I'm just going to say for our, this is for our dictionary. So let's do the dynamic programming. Top down. What did I say? DP. We definitely have to have K. I want to say IDX for index. So start with a base case. Yeah, let's start with a base case. So if the length of the event, or K, because we have that value, or that integer K, 0, then we return 0. And then we're going to do the same thing down here. What do I call it? No. And we return That's our base case. Then we'll have to do something to find the index of that next event that starts after the current event. So we have when they start. We have to find the next event. I need my whiteboard. I just bought a new one too. Guys, oh, no, I'm not going to go at it. I was going to go to the next video. I like to be able to write some of these things out. I'm not going to quit on the editorial thing, though. I'm not going to do it. I've gotten this far. And I'm hoping this is going to work. Okay. Okay, so we need to figure out the index of the next event that starts after the current event. So we should say next event IDX and then equals find. Underscores, I think that's find next event, and then events IDX. I think that should. Okay, so that'll get us to finding that next event. Then we need to figure out that value. So finding out which events, when they start, when the next event is, we need the maximum value by attending or skipping. So we know this, we would skip these because this would be the maximum value. This would be the maximum value. This would not be. These would be the maximum value. This wouldn't be. So I don't really know where to begin here. I know we need like the max DP for the event ID and then K minus I, at least at the beginning. Shit, I don't know. Okay. So memo, let's just go. Let's just do it. We got this. I know how this should start in theory. So we need to have this. Start. What'd I say? Next event X. Okay. And then we have to do K minus 1. Oh my god, I got something in my eye. Must be a sparkle. Plus, I don't know. Guys, I have no idea. I'm drawing a blank. Okay, hold on. Let's take a breath. Drink of water. Take a drink of water. It's bubbly. Okay. So we need to find the maximum value by either attending or skipping. Plus events index 2. Hold on. That can't be it, though. Start day, end day, and value. Start day, end day, and value. Okay. This shouldn't be that hard. But it is. What do I have? So find the next event. Minus, I've got a space there. I could do, what should I do? DP plus, no, I shouldn't do that. Okay, because that wouldn't, start day, so start the value. Okay, so I have this. I did one event at a time. I should have done the entire. I feel like I'm just psyching myself out right now. Huh. I feel like you know what? Hate me. I just wanna do a hint. Nope. No. Not today. Not today, Anna. Okay. I don't know. I know what it should return. I feel like that matters. I want to say K for now. I don't know that that's right, but return memo. IDX. Okay. Here's the caveat, though. I know we need to find the next event. And this is where I think we should do the binary search. Kind of. And do like a low-high kind of situation where like that's how we gauge those values. Does that make sense? So if we did a binary search, we would be able to sort that low to high and then figure out the highest value. Yeah. 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 Yeah, she's smart. She's got this. Actually, this would have to be IDX plus 1, comma K, I think. Yeah. Increment, not decrement. So we need events. Events, IDX. Okay. So this is when we're going to get into that binary search. And do end day events IDX 1. So then we're going to say low, high, x plus 1, and then n minus 1. Yeah, n minus 1, length of the event. Okay. So then while low is less than or equal to the high, then the mid low plus high minus low. What's that? 2. So if the event is mid 0 greater than the end day, then high mid minus 1. Decrement that. Else low mid increments. So then we return low, and then we return EP 0. Okay. I think that makes sense. Because we want to find that index of the next event, so that feels like that works. Initialize. That's not here. Here. This is what I'm the most curious about. Yeah. I don't think that's necessarily incorrect, but I might just not yield the result I'm looking for, because if I'm thinking we decrement, have the increment. Yeah. Okay. You know what? We didn't have a hint yet. Do we need a hint? Do I need a hint? No, I don't. You know what? Yeah, we're good. So let's go over what we did. We sorted the events. We got the length. We did the dictionary. We then used, what's it called? Oh my gosh, you guys. My brain. We use dynamic programming. Good grief. As a function to calculate the maximum amount of events that we could attend throughout here. We used a binary search to search high to low, got the mid, incremented if we needed to, and decremented if we needed to. Increment, return the low, and then returned the results. My brain. Keys. Sort keys. Lambda. That's not valid. Key, maybe? Key? Oh, no. Just key. Keys the key. Name event is not defined. Okay. Because it's not event, it's events. Integer is not none type. Okay. So end day events. Okay. To find next event. Events. I don't understand. So we can't have, they must be integers, not none type. Is that supposed to be maybe, you're not supposed to be a regular parenthesis, are you? I don't think that's going to work. I think I was already right, but I'm not. Yeah, it's not callable. I'm going to take a hint. Sort the events by its start time. I did that. I did that. I did that literally right here. For every event, you can either choose it and consider the next event available, or you can ignore it. You can efficiently find the next event when it's available by using binary search. Who did that? Still didn't help me, though. Still did not help me yet. Maybe I'm supposed to do this. Happy, right? No. Okay. I'm going back over. Try this. Let's try it one more time. No. I just keep wanting to believe that that's not real. I know it is. Events. Am I missing something here? Like, this is how you do a binary search? Is that right? Maybe it should be I? But it can't be a non-type. So, like, these are my hands. These are all of them, of course. End day. So I want to end the day equals events. Okay. Oh, guess who came back? It is the queen herself. Jojo, what do you think? Should I just push buttons until I get it right? Oh, goodness. I don't know. Maybe it's supposed to be it's that index, right? Event index 1. I must ask you a question, but I'll save it for later. Do I crack out the editorial? That's a secret I'll never tell. XOXO. Wanna come up here? This is her. She's sitting right in front of the screen. You guys can't see it, but he's so helpful. So end day events. I feel like I'm going to try I, but I don't think that's going to be correct. Woo! There's my keyboard. Just pronounce it. Yeah, global name I is not defined. Didn't I define it? No. I mean K. Sometimes I forget what letter we're working with, but I don't think that's going to be right either. Return memo is not defined. I don't think that's... I don't know. I wish you guys could see her. She's such a ham right now. Okay. See, this is... I think I'm going to put it back to 1. And maybe I'm just writing it weird? I don't know. I don't know how else to do this. These test cases, yeah. think I might have to crack open the editorial. It was an event, right? Did I already test that out? I just want to try it. 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 Event is not fine. Okay, I did try that. I know it's supposed to be that integer situation. So end day events. That's low high. Maybe 0? Can't be a none type though. I'm changing this back. I'm going to say this is, now that I fixed that. Sorry, Jojo. Okay. What did I say? I was going to try K. I was going to try 0. We're going to try 0. Add one type. What if I leave it empty? What if I'm so close that I want to throw myself away? What if I don't do any? Why then? Riddle me that, Batman. Okay, I get the point of not being... Fine, what if I get rid of this? It's not going to work without that, though, so... I can already tell you right now. It's a little Jojo. Her little tail. Okay. Son of a ping pong. See? Bring that back. I have no idea, you guys. I have no idea. Cannot be non-type. I'm gonna give myself a pause. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. I'm gonna figure this out right now. We're gonna figure it out right now. Right now. We got this. We got this. I got this. I got this. I got this. Take a breath. I don't know if you guys have this with interviews, but like there's something that you're stuck on, or just like in general. Like I usually have to take I like to walk while I do my work, but I don't have my treadmill. I don't have my standing desk here. Because just being able to move and figure stuff out, that's what I like to do, but I'm not going to do it as much. I'm stumped. I kind of want to rewrite this. I don't think this is going to be right. I'm going to copy this. Yeah. I want to start at the same. Yeah, I want to start at the same. I do want to do the binary thing. This is what I think I'm getting tripped up on. So the binary, it's saying index won't work. Before I click confirm, I have to make sure I actually want to click confirm. I just got to reset to the default code. I did copy it. So actually, let me make sure I copied it. Copy it. Good, perfect, excellent. I didn't. I was gonna try to note it somewhere, but okay. I can't do it. I can't. Oh my god. My concern is that I'm gonna write it the exact same way that I already did, and it's not gonna mean anything. That's fine. That's fine. You know what? Reset it. Let's try it again. Let's reread the question. Let's see if we get it this time. Okay, so you're given an array of events where events I equals start day, end day value. The I event starts at start day and ends at end day, and if you attend this event, you will receive a value of value. You're also given an integer which represents the maximum number of events you can attend. You can only attend one event at a time. If you choose to attend an event, you must attend the entire event. Note that the end day is inclusive. That is, you cannot attend two events where one of them starts and the other one ends on the same day. Okay, so you have returned that maximum sum of the values that you can receive by attending that event. So, let's redo this. I do want to do what I started off with, which I think was events sort, and then that was the key lambda. Did I do that? Did I do that for this one? X. Okay. And then I want to do the length of the event. And then I want to do the memo dictionary. Okay. I still want to do the DP. I'm not going to write that. I'm not going to write that. Why would I do it like that? So we want def DP. So that's going to be how we get our base case and how we find the index of these things and figure out that maximum value by either attending or skipping. That's like how we are going to figure that out in my brain. We want that index and K, right? K, all right. This is going to be the base case. We want this to be a base case. So if the IDX is equal to N or K is equal to 0. Return 0. And then if it's in the dictionary, in memo, return memo, return IDX and K. Okay. So this is where I got tripped up last time. And I'm going to write this note for myself. So this is find event that starts after the current. And then this needs to be where we find value of events by skipping or attending. So we need that next event index and to find that next event. So event, next event, next event, index equals find next event. And that will be events index. Find next event. So we want to find the next event after the current event. Okay. I knew this was going to be similar, but I just need to think through this and lay it out. Like for here, I want to write base case. Yep. So that's our base. Meaning the memo index with k, right, is equal to the max of the GP next event index, and that's what I wrote here, right? There's no like difference in that, and that's going to be -1 plus events index to dp idx to increment and then get k on there in order to return the memo index k. That should work in theory. If I can spell next, did I do that over here? No. Okay. Then we need to find unless there's a way to do all of this with a binary search. But if that's the case, I don't know how to do it. And I will have to tap out. Either choose or consider the next event. Or you can ignore it. Find next event. And you'll have to do both of these things. This is where it got flubbed up last time to actually do the binary search with the integer. So, and end of the day, events. It's gonna get mad at me again. Find. And then we do the low and high, right? Index. Did I say +1 and n minus? I think that would make sense. So while low is less than or equal to high, it still works. This, I mean, I feel like this logic, this is all, this is, feels like the exact same. I'm going to run with it. I don't, because you still have to do the high minus the low. So if events mid is more than the end of the day, high equals mid increment and then increment. Is that not the exact same? Except I need it for this whole situation. So it needs to be here. I did the exact same thing again. Here. Actually, if I didn't do the exact same thing everywhere. Yeah, I did. Literally the exact same. You know what? It's fine. Maybe I did something different. I'm not going to double check, though. PD. Where's PD? Good grief. I don't really know what I did besides just walk through it differently. We will have to go side by side, but before I do side by side, I'm going to submit this. Because it doesn't mean anything if there's no submissions. I'm still so confused on the different... Maybe it was just how it was formatted? I wish they'd let you open up a second one next to it, like how you can do with VS Code. Yeah, because this just feels like this is the exact same. Ooh, memory isn't so good. Memory's not so good. Okay. Well, 47 minutes. Still don't know what I did. I'll have to review that on my own time. I do kind of want to see this editorial. Okay. Listen, was she not onto something? She was onto something up here. Top-down dynamic programming and binary search. So, is that what they mean? Hold on, let me see if they can just... I don't think you can just do this with a binary search. Bottom-up dynamic programming and binary search. Cache binary search. Bottom-up, optimized binary search. How did that look? Oh my gosh, that's 13 lines. Top without binary search. So I could have done it without a binary search. My brain was just thinking that the binary search would have been the best option. So using binary search approach to ensure that the current is always valid and find the nearest. This is done by finding the insert position using the binary search. We could avoid using binary search, but we need to modify the function. Sweet. Sweet. Interesting. I will have to read some of this. I'm going to try to knock out a couple more because this one almost made me want to throw my computer. Getting more and more confidence. Yeah, I really have, honestly. Same as, ooh, remind me to do this one because I definitely know now I need to practice this a lot. I still don't see what the difference is here or really anywhere besides just trying to review what each function actually does to see if I got it correct. But yeah, I'm going to post this in my GitHub repo, which I'm going to put at the bottom of this video. Thank you guys for watching. And, when you're done here, feel free to go to that repo and clone and fork and definitely make it better than beating only 20% of users with Python for memory. I'm going to have to work on that too. I'm going to go to that one that they said in the editorial that comment was about so I can get better and try to optimize that a bit. But I want to thank you guys for being so awesome. And if you make a better solution, please tag me because this was stuff in my little brain. Okay, this was stuff. Yeah, so I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great night.